Do you know how to use Google? Then I'm going to show you how you can make $144 a day. First, go to appen.com and on the right hand side, click on jobs. Under the part-time flexible jobs, click on projects and click apply and fill out all of your information to create the account. After that, you will see all of the jobs that you qualify for. These will be different depending on your region, but some of them pay $70 per task, some pay $25 per hour. For example, here is a cool job. It's a search engine evaluator job that pays $18 per hour. It has above average work availability and minimum work that they want you to do is 10 hours per week. $18 per hour times 8 hours a day, that will be $144 on the days that you work 8 hours. If you found this video useful, click like just over here on the right of the screen and click subscribe just at the bottom.